if I'm looking for a particular app, let's say I'm looking for a currency converter app, and I will just start swiping through, and I'm going bug-eyed looking for it. Now I get to the app library, and that's a good place to look, but it's even better, no matter where I am, iPhone, I swipe down from anywhere on the screen, and I can search for currency. Oops, if you spell it right. And there is my currency converter. So don't drive yourself nuts by scrolling and hunting, just search. Android, same idea, but instead of a swipe down from the middle, because that will get you your notifications, you swipe up. And that gets you to your all apps, your app drawer, or app library, but notice there is a search field at the bottom. I can search for currency, and there we go. Very easy. If you learn only one thing today, make it that. You can search and not be so frustrated in finding your apps.